Hi, so I previously stated in my introduction, I just want to clarify that it can be done twice a day or once a day, morning or night. I want to retract that and say that actually it can be done any time of the day, morning, noon, or night, whatever, because it can be challenging to try to do this practice every time you face a stressful situation. So the goal should be to try to do it at least once a week. And what you want to do is, and it takes about 5 minutes, you want to get yourself in a comfortable position, whether lying down, sitting upright, whatever's comfortable for you. You can even lay pillows on the floor, sit in like a yoga position, and just whatever, and be relaxed. I'm going to leave my eyes open to do the demonstration, but typically it should be done with your eyes closed just so you can be in the moment of self-compassion and just internalizing everything. So first, I want you to think of a situation in your life that is difficult and is causing you stress. Call the situation to mind and see if you can actually feel the stress and emotional discomfort in your body. Now say to yourself, this is a moment of suffering. Or you can also say, this hurts. This is acknowledgement, is a form of mindfulness, of simply noticing what is going on for you emotionally in the present moment, without judging that experience as good or bad. You can also say to yourself, this is stress. Use whatever statement feels most natural to you. Next, say to yourself, no, suffering is a part of life. This is the recognition of your common humanity with others, that all people have trying experiences, and these experiences give you something in common with the rest of humanity rather than mark you as abnormal or deficient. Other options for statements include, I'm not alone, or we all struggle in our lives. Now, put your hands over your heart. Feel the warmth of your hands and the gentle touch of your chest. And say, may I be kind to myself? This is a way to express self-kindness. You can also consider whether there is another specific phrase that would speak to you in that particular situation. Some examples are, may I give myself the compassion that I need? May I accept myself as I am? May I learn to accept myself as I am? May I forgive myself? May I be strong? And may I be patient? And this is a practice can be used any time of the day, as I spoke earlier. If you practice it in moments of relative calm, it might become easier for you to experience the three parts of self-compassion, which is mindfulness, common humanity, and self-kindness. And this is something that we all need. Thank you.